Welcome to how to make simulation blood. Here we have a fake blood that we use for when a patient wants to have when a patient needs to have a blood transplant, or for some reason in the simulation when the patient needs blood. And I'm going to show you how to make this. It's fairly easy. First thing you'll need is somewhere for the blood to be made. Typically you can use anything like normal saline, or an IV bag, something that looks realistic. Okay. Next you'll need some type of syringe that has a needle. The type of syringe really doesn't matter. It just needs to have a needle on it. And you'll also need simulated blood concentrate. Now you can get this from any other major simulation mannequin companies, or you can get this from your local party store, any type of Halloween shop. Halloween is a good time to find this type of thing in your local stores. Okay? So once you have all of your supplies together, you also want to clean your area, or keep your area kind of clean and protected, because remember, this is red dye. So like I've put down paper towels on the table, or if you have an apron for your clothes, you may want to cover up your clothes. But also, last, I forgot to add this, but gloves. You're going to need these because these will keep your hands from getting all messy. Remember, this is dye, it's red dye. So if you get this on your hands, clothes, your working space, tables, wherever, it's going to be pretty hard to get this stuff off. It may not come off for a few days or after many cleanings. So remember to protect your area. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is put on your gloves. Next thing we want to do is take our simulated blood. Let's take the top off of that. So the first thing you want to do is take your syringe and put it inside, because you want to draw up the blood solution. Now it may be slow, so just hold it until you get just a little bit in there. Okay, so as we can see, we have blood in our syringe. And like I said, this can get messy, so take the proper precautions. Next thing we want to do, as you can see, I already got it on my finger. You want to take your normal saline, or let's move this out of the way. So your normal saline, your IV bag, or whatever you want to use. And what you want to do is, up here you have two ports. One is where the students or whoever is doing this would hook the IV line there, but you also have the second port here. So what you want to do, as you can see it gets messy already. I just set this down. Take the syringe and just simply stick it into this port right there. Okay. As you can see, my needle's inside of the port. And I just push the red dye blood solution into the IV bag. Okay, and pull it out, and let's set this down. And as you can see, you kind of shake it up a little bit. There you go. You have your fake blood that you can use for simulation. So let's do it a second time, because as you can see, this is it's more see-through. It can still be used for blood, but it's more see-through than the realistic blood. So let's Let's take it one more time. We'll do the same thing again. Draw up. Sometimes you have to hold it at the, like, stick it in there and then just hold it and let it draw up blood, because sometimes this concentrate is kind of slow, it's kind of thick. Okay, so we got another good amount, and we want to just move that out the way and follow these same steps. We're going to this port right here, and I'm sorry, let's put it in there one more time. Okay. And we'll just add some more concentrate to that. Okay, and let's shake it up. And as you can see, it got a little darker. So you can keep doing these steps over and over to get it to your likeness. You know. And then what we have done is we've taken it a step further. We actually have blood labels on the bags. So as you can see, you can take this idea and make your own fake label, or and make it, just add that more personal touch to it, so when you or whoever does the simulation, it gives you a more realistic feel. So yeah, that is how to make fake blood for simulation. Thanks for watching.